When converting temperatures between Fahrenheit and Celsius, there's two different ways that this can be done within Microsoft Excel. The first is to use the actual equation, and the second is to use the convert function. In this worksheet, we'll take a look at both of those examples. On the left-hand side, we have our temperatures that we're going to convert in Celsius. And the first step will be to use the mathematical formula to convert it into Fahrenheit. We'll do this by directly typing the equation in. So you select the cell and hit equals, select the temperature, multiply that by 9/5 plus 32, and that equals 14 degrees Fahrenheit. In reverse, we'll select the temperature, Fahrenheit, minus 32 times 5/9, and we'll get 10 degrees Celsius. To use the convert function, we can write in convert. We again select the temperature as the first variable. But in this case, what we're going to be then identifying is what are we converting from. It's currently a Celsius temperature, and we're going to convert to Fahrenheit. And we'll get 14 degrees. And of course, doing the similar convert, we would select 14, and then in this case, it's now Fahrenheit to Celsius. And we get our 10 degrees. Now, something to note here when working with this formula, that it is case sensitive. So if I was to have mistyped and made this a lowercase c, it would have generated an error message. So in this case, to fix it, you go back and highlight it, make it a capital C, and you end up with this, 10 degrees. Now, to copy these down, we can either drag and drop, like so, or we can double click in the right-hand column, or the right-hand corner, and it will extend it down to the remainder of the dataset. Lastly, let's take a look at how to add the notation to the end of our temperature calculations. In this first example, we'll use the number formatting option within the Home ribbon. We'll go ahead and we'll select 14 as our temperature value, and with the cell still selected, we'll go to Number, Formats, Custom, and at the bottom, we have Fahrenheit. Now, I've added this in previously, but if it's not there, you can add it in manually above. And this will apply the degree and Fahrenheit symbol at the end of your number. And as in the previous sections, we can either double click or drag to apply that format to the remainder of the cells. Now, one of the reasons I like to use this option is because it allows you to still use these numbers in calculations. Now, if you don't need these to be used in future calculations, you can use a formula and the symbols option to add the notation at the end. And to give that example here, we'll first do the formula where we select our cell, and then we'll add in the character car 176, which denotes the degree symbol, and then Celsius at the end. Alternatively, you can type in the number 5, and we can go to Symbols and select the degree, Insert, and C, Insert, and Close. Oh, I have too many in there. Let's delete one. Now, to double check that these are indeed text, you can say is number, and it'll be false. And you can also use the one is text, and you'll see that it's true. Okay, well, I hope you found this useful. Please leave any comments or questions you have in the comment section below, and I look forward to seeing you on the next video. Bye for now.